Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Claude to Apple Calendar. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Claude app on your iPhone and wait for it to load completely. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top left corner and tap the three-line menu icon. After the menu opens, go to the top right and tap your profile icon. This will open your account settings and preferences. Next, find and tap Permissions. Inside this section, you'll see controls that manage what Claude can access on your device. Now select Calendar. Here you'll see permission options related to your calendar access. You'll notice settings for read access and write access. Under both sections, select Always. This allows Claude to access your calendar whenever needed. After updating both settings, make sure they are set correctly before exiting. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect Claude to Apple Calendar. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.